In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add emojis to Trello lists. Trello is a great tool for organization and productivity, but did you know you can make your boards even more visually appealing and fun by adding emojis to your list titles? Emojis can help you categorize, highlight, or simply add a bit of personality to your workflow. Whether you're using Trello for work, school, or personal projects, this small customization can make a big difference. Let's dive in and I'll walk you through the entire process step by step. First, open the Trello board you want to edit. This is where all your lists and cards are organized, and it's the space where you'll be making your changes. Make sure you're logged into your Trello account and have access to the specific board you want to update. Next, you'll need to ensure you have the right permissions to edit the lists on this board. If you're a member of a shared board, check that you have editing rights. Without these permissions, you won't be able to make changes to the list titles. Once you've confirmed that you can edit, hover your mouse over the title of the list you want to update. You'll notice a pencil icon appear next to the list title. Click on that pencil icon, or if you prefer, simply click directly on the list name itself. This will make the text editable, allowing you to start customizing the title. Now, let's add an emoji. Trello has no built-in emoji button for list titles, but you can use your device's emoji picker to insert one. Here's how. On Windows computers, press the Windows key and the period key at the same time. On Mac, you'll press Control, Command, and Space together. If you're using a phone or tablet, just tap the emoji key on your keyboard to open the emoji menu. Once the emoji picker is open, browse through the options and select the emoji you want to use. You can place it at the beginning or at the end of the list name, wherever it makes the most sense for your workflow. If you'd rather copy and paste an emoji, that works too. Start by opening your web browser and navigating to an emoji library. There are plenty of free resources online where you can find a wide variety of emojis. Once you've found the one you like, copy it to your clipboard, then return to your Trello board, click on the list title to make it editable, and paste the emoji directly into the name. It's that simple. After you've added your emoji, press Enter on your keyboard or click anywhere outside the list title to save the changes. If you're using a mobile device, you'll tap the Done button or press Return on your keyboard to confirm and save your updates. And that's all it takes to add emojis to your Trello lists. With just a little effort, you can make your boards more organized, colorful, and engaging. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.